gas pedal, slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, S-A-G-E, gas pedal, gas pedal. Black money, let the moon say amen. I'm just tryna make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man, whoa, say friend. I play a whole late night DJ, hey man, room full of boppers. Tell them give me topper, beat it up, 911, hit the coppers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? B545, large me in your throat.
Hi guys, welcome on our Kubay Design YouTube channel. And today we decide to show you our G63 G Wagon from 2020 year, modified by Brabus original from AMG G63 engine, modified with Brabus original, and it has its own logos stating it has 700 horsepower, so it runs very cool. So as you may know, in stock in the original G63 from manufacturer is been run without Widestar kit because it's been modified by Brabus. So as this car has been modified by Brabus only for interior trim, the whole interior upholstery and an engine, so we decided to upgrade the exterior look for Brabus Widestar, and including all the carbon elements and of course the plastic widen shaft. So we took a Widestar kit and of course decided to sign up an individuality with a carbon insertions. It looks very nice, fits perfectly. It's our own manufacturer designed kit with LED lights, and the great decision to make it more sporty and to sign up with the red outlines, high gloss. When we turn on the lights, we can see the LED illuminated insertions stating it's Brabus, also as Widestar LED lights here. When we open the door, it states it's turned on. When we close the door, it's not that annoying. As for the rear part, also it combined the Widestar with the carbon elements, also red outlined with all the meshes and grills here. As you may see, it fits very perfectly. All the gaps, all the stitches are really nice look. As for the rear bumper, as you may see, we have combined the plastic with a carbon fiber rear diffuser, stating it's also Brabus with a high manufacture detail badge. Really perfect fitment and really contrast looking. You can see all the gaps, so all the straight lined and two straightened carbon. And of course, as it has a spare wheel cover, we decided to make a Brabus carbon fiber spare tire cover plate. You may check the quality, really nice looking. It's also gloss carbon. As all Mercedes owners love Brabus, their engineering and interior exterior experience, want to show you and share you some notes. As for interior trim, it's been remanufactured everything by Brabus original for $6,008. As for the front, we show you the interior trim. It's been combined the soft leather with perforated leather, and as for the roof, it's been combined with a soft Alcantara. As you may see, it's all in soft orange, like beige and orange color. Very nice looking, especially the combining the black piano glows insertions, plastic. For the dashboard, and here and everywhere, combined with this color leather. So very nice looking. We needed to start a car to turn on the front roof lights to show you that we attached a front roof spoiler with LED lights, real perfect looking. And also you may see the gaps and the proper installation. And we are getting back from the place we've started from the front. So we decided to make a hood scoop, hood attachment over the bonnet, as of course a Brabus original does, with all the grills and meshes. And excuse us for the badge, it will be placed here soon, because we are manufacturing the special badge here. Of course, we will show you later. And for the front grille, we've replaced an original badge to match a D-Stronic radar sensor to make it work properly. You can see it's red, to match the red signs all over the car. Of course, as Brabus Widestar red outlines. This is LED illuminated front grille badge, also placed here. When we turn on the ignition, it's being light up with a blue sign. And as for the front bumper, you may see, as on the rear, also on the front, the diffuser, also made with carbon fiber and with this original badge, matching and stating it's Brabus. I hope you like this short video and enjoyed every moment with us to share this great experience with this G63 AMG G Wagon modified by Brabus and with our Kubay Design service. So all the manufacturing processes has been recorded into special instructions. So if you want to modify your car or to buy some parts for your G Wagon and modify it yourself, we can send in with proper instructions, with installation and all the explanations. So all the designers and technical purposes will be sent to you by your request. You may contact me whenever you wish for detailed information. And I hope there won't be a last video about this G Wagon. You may subscribe our channel and watch for your G.
Say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear. Wear Ray-Bans. I'm a great man. Whoa, say friend. I play a whole late night DJ. Hey man, room full of boppers. Tell them give me topper. Beat it up. Now I want hit the coppers. I'm SAGE. Who would like to know? B545 large me in your throat.